Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
Hatya, very good. If any queries to any of you, can raise your hand. No queries? Okay. Jiten, tell me now, in which cases it is mandatory to go for a block? Jiten, speak out Jiten, please, okay? Speak out quickly.
The question?
Question is, we are saying that, in which case it is mandatory to have a block?
No.
Huh? In which case it is mandatory to have a block? See, in previous program here we have not given any block, right? But right now we are given a block. See, earlier program we do not have any block like this, right? Directly we are given.
If it is more than one line, it's mandatory.
Exactly. Whenever we have to execute multiple lines of code, it's mandatory to go for a block. Understand? If not, it will consider only one line. Understand? If at all you want to apply either if part, if condition, or else condition to multiple lines of code, in all those cases, it's mandatory that we need to have a block of code. Understand? Very good. In which case it is optional. Whenever we have to execute a single line of code as a part of if condition or else condition, in those cases it is optional. You may have only a single line of code, so need not to have any block again separately. Understand? Directly we can get the work done, no problem at all, no issues at all. Clear now, everybody? Sushma, having else part, is it mandatory or optional?
It is optional.
Very good. So you may go for else part or you may not go for else part, no problem at all. Understand? Directly we can also go for only if condition. If it is true, we can execute some logic. If it is not true, we can ignore. We need not execute any other logic because of this condition. Everything is according to our requirements, okay? Right now we are going to work with else if. What is else if? We will see now. See here. We take a number here, right? Like 1063, and we take name here, right? See, I will take a name as online, and we are getting some marks here now. Come on, totally which type here? Double type, right? So 10 is integer, right? Okay. Felix, tell me now. Your double by integer is always. See, your total is of which type here? Double. 10 is integer. Come on, Felix. Float by integer is always. Felix, integer by integer is always. Felix, integer by integer is always integer. Okay. In the same way, double by integer is always double. Felix, are you comfortable? Okay, thanks. So double by integer is always double. So now simply it gives a double value now here. We're checking now. If average is greater than 75, we're saying it as distinction. If it is false, 1 minute here, in this if condition now, right now, how many statements are given now, Felix? Felix, under this condition, under this if condition, right now, how many statements are given now for execution purpose? Felix, come on. Felix, Felix, can you talk to me?
You hear me now?
Yes. Felix.
Hello?
Yeah, Felix.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, Felix. Your voice is audible, Felix.
Okay. What's the question again?
See, I'm asking you here, inside if condition, right now, how many statements are there to get executed?
I think one will be executed at a time.
Exactly. Here we are giving only one. If at all I want to give more than one,
Yes.
what to do now, Felix?
It will still execute one time.
You should go for block. Right now, under this if condition,
Okay.
we are giving only one statement, okay?
If you want to execute more than one, then you have to go for block. That's true, yes.
Very good. So see now here. So if it is true now, it executes this single statement now. If it is false, what happens now? Immediately it goes to else part. So in previous program else part, we are not going to condition again, right? If it is not true, simply do this, right? Simply example like this. If you get tickets for movie, go to movie. Else, go to park. That's it. This is finalized. So we are not saying like that, okay? See, if average is greater than 75, distinction. If it is false, again we are checking condition. If it is greater than 60, make it first class. If it is also false, again else condition. Again if condition, inside else condition. At least if it is greater than 50, make it as second class. Excuse me. At least if it is greater than 50, 35, make it as third class. So on. Is it clear now? So as a part of else condition also we can give if condition. Inside else part also we can give if condition. Same here also. For a single line of code, block is not required. If at all you have to execute multiple lines of code, better you go for block. Okay? And if it is also false, finally, without giving any condition, directly again else part. It is fail. Is it clear out to you all? Finally, we are displaying now here. See, student number, name, total marks, average, result. We are displaying all these details here. Understand? See, it is showing you here. Yes. Yes. Now, Atiya, tell me now here. I have given now this total marks as 600. Okay. Total marks are given as 600 now. Now, can you tell me output now, Atiya? So 600 by 10. Average will become 60. Right. Okay. Now, can you tell me output now for this, Satya? What is value of result?
First class?
See, what's the condition here? If average is greater than 60, we're not saying greater or equal to 60.
Oh,
Right. So, what's the output now?
second class.
Very good. Is it clear now? Save. Right click run as Java application. See now it is saying as second class, right? Now if at all we are giving it like 600.1, now it gives you something like 60 point something, right? So however it is, if it is greater than 60, it is first class. See now save, right click, run as Java application. See, here we got on 60.01. However it is, if it is greater than 60, we are saying it as first class. Is it clear now to you all? We are displaying all details here like student number, name, marks, average, result. Everything we are displaying here. Is it clear to all, everybody? Right. Now we'll see next now. See, now we'll go for a switch statement now. Come on, see now here. Inside main method now, we are taken here local variables, right? See, we are giving now here day 1. Day is given with the value 1 here, and we are taking week as empty here, empty string, switch case. See, we can say switch case as a menu driven program. We can say it as a menu driven program. Okay, see now here. See, once you go to a restaurant here, you can find lots of items over there in the menu, right? So we can select any item over there, right? We can select any item among all the items of the menu we have, right? In the same way here also, this switch case, switch of day. What is day here? Day is having value as 1. So it comes here now, right? And simply here case 1 is having value as week. Week is Sunday. What happens now here? We are giving a break statement here, right? So now here, now case 2, week is given as Monday, right? Again we are saying break here. What does it mean? So by including break statement here, control will come out of this switch case. Understand? And if at all the given input value is same as the value we have in case, if both are having same values, then week will become true. And right now value week is variable week is having empty value, right? If case is also 1, now week will become Sunday. And by encountering break statement now, control will come out of this switch case. And we're displaying here week is Sunday. See example, run as Java application. See now here, week is Sunday. The same thing now here, if at all we are giving week as 6. Come on. Here is it day, what is value of day now? 6. Is it 6 now? No. See, it is 6 here. So it is 6 here again. See, is it 6 now? False. Is it 6 now? False. So it is keep on checking now every time. Understand? So all these cases are false now. Finally it comes to 6th case now. What do you have 6th case now? Friday. So it displays you value as Friday now. By encountering break statement again, immediately control will come out of the switch case and displays you week as Friday. See now? It is showing you week as Friday. Alright. Come on, see now here. The same thing now here. If at all I give a 16, come on. Do you have anything like 16 here for case? No. See here. Come to case here, we can give any values. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40. Any values. Even these cases we again sequentially rate like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not mandatory. Okay. We can give like any order. No problem. We can give like 10, 20, 30, 40. We can give any cases. No problem. Simply after all they are constants and no more. Okay. Right, case is a keyword whereas 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, all their input values, integer constants, okay. And here simply whatever logic you want to execute, we are executing the same logic here, okay. See now here now, right now here day is there are 16 here input value, but there is no case where we have 16. Immediately control will be given to default case. Remember, specification of default case is quite optional. You may have a default case or you may not have a default case. Alright. You may have a default case or you may not have default case. Even default case, it's a good practice to write at last. But in fact, you can write in beginning of switch case or middle of switch case or at last of switch case. Wherever you want, you can write this, no problem. But it's always a good programming practice to write default case as a last case inside the switch case. Understand? However it is, control will be given to default case only if the input value is not available, is not matching with any of the available cases we have. Only at that time control will be given to default case. It's not a matter whether default case is there in beginning or middle or last. Wherever it is, no problem. Understand? And by encountering break statement here, control will be given outside the switch case and it displays you weak now. So as there is no case 16 now, it goes to default and gives you value as invalid input. See now, save, right click, run as Java application. Understand? That's the way how it works. Right? What happens if you do not have this break statement? Come on. If you do not have default case, nothing will happen. Let's say you may go to some hotel, you may ask for something. What you ask is not available there in hotel. What will you do? You'll go out of the hotel. Same thing. Here if there is no default case, you request something here, but what you request is not there. What happens now? Simply control will come out. See, I remove default case now save. Simply it has empty value, right? So it displays same empty value now. Run as Java application. See now, it is showing you only empty value, nothing much, because there is no case which is matching with our case. Understand? See now here. Now what happens if we do not have any of these break statements? See here. Right now we do not have any break statements here. See, have given here case as 1. What happens now? Come on, can you tell me the output now? As there is no break statement now, anyway case is only 1. It comes here now. As there is no break statement now, the same variable week will be given as Sunday, again Monday, so on. It will keep on initializing all the values. At last it will return the value as invalid input and displays the value as invalid input. See, run as Java application. Is it clear out to you all? Very good. If there is a break statement here, soon after encountering this, what are the remaining statements we have? It executes you all those remaining statements in the same case, in the same sequence. Understand? Because there is no break statement. So it's always a good practice to go for break statement properly. Understand? So once you specify break statement here, what happens now? Here we will be able to work very comfortable. Understand? So at case level, for case 1 do this, for case 2 do this, so on. So for we can do all these things at case level. Is it clear now? For every case, you can have a respective logic according to our requirements. Any queries here?
Prasad,
Any
if you
creative-
want
yes.
to, Prasad, for example, now if I want to print out case 1 and case 5, so can we
Yes,
have two?
we can say here. Yeah, we can say case 1 and case 1. Don't write break statement for case 1. Okay. Example, see, if you do not give break statement here, what happens now? You may give case 1 or case 2. Okay, it executes you both. And by encountering break statement, control will come out of the switch case. Whenever
What
you
if
have to
I
give-
want? Sorry.
Yeah, continue.
What if I want to give like case 1 and 6 or in between? I mean, not
No, you should write them in a
linearly,
sequence. Okay, you should write them in a sequence.
sequence. Okay.
So we can get the work done. So till it encounters break statement, it won't work. Okay, till it encounters break statement, control will not come out of the switch case. Okay. Yeah, we can give only coming to case constants, we can give only integers in Java. Coming to case constants here, we can give only integers. We cannot have any other constants here. Am I clear, Sushma? Oh, welcome. Any queries here? Clear to you all now? Right. Felix, can we write this default case anywhere? Felix, can we write this default case anywhere? Maybe like beginning, middle, or last? Felix,
Yes, it could be written anywhere.
is it mandatory? Very good. Is it mandatory to have this default case?
It doesn't matter where you put the default case. It's still
Very
going
good.
to work.
Very good. I want to break statement. Is it mandatory or optional? Break statement. Is it mandatory or optional?
It's optional.
Very good. So
No,
simply now.
yeah, it's optional. Yeah.
Very good. So simply now,
But
all
it's
of you
good
do
to
like
use
this.
it.
Yeah.
It's
Simply
good
all
to
of you do
use
like
it.
this. Come again. Yeah, yeah. All of you do like this. A simple assignment. Simply take values from 1 to 12. For 1, display it as Jan. For 2, February. So on. For 12, December. Right. and if it is any other value other than 1 to 12, display it as invalid month. Alright. Alright. So simply here do practice all the examples. Okay. So tomorrow we will finish this. Tomorrow we will finish all these things, and we'll also finish arrays by tomorrow. Okay. Control statements, arrays. If possible, we'll also start working with command line arguments. Okay. Clear? How to execute a program here? Simply right click on the program and simply run as Java application. Right? Simply execute all the examples. Okay. Already have emailed you all the examples long ago. So do practice all the examples. Okay. If any queries, you can email me. Alright. Fine. Yeah. No problem. You can Google it out, Shraddha. You can Google it out. Simply say download Eclipse, you can get it, no problem. Yeah, Sam. We are done with loops earlier. Fine. Okay. Thank you all. We'll see you all tomorrow, 8 o'clock.
Prasad?
Yeah.
I need 2 minutes.
Yeah, Sukra. I've seen
I
your
have,
email.
yeah, okay.
Simply Sukra. You need to execute like this, Sukra. Run as Java application. You don't
No,
say
no,
run
if I
configurations and all that, okay?
No, I did Java application. I mean, I'm still doing it right now as we talk, but it comes up with a pop-up window saying select what you run and build and build. I don't understand why is it. It was working fine previously, but I don't know what has happened. It is now if I click on run, I get a pop-up saying run as, select what you run and build and build.
We don't require all that stuff now itself. Simply do one thing. Go for a new workspace, okay? Or try with a new project and try with a new workspace or else.
Okay, if now I'm going for a new workspace, so I'm going
you can
file
do like this.
new.
Switch workspace, you can go for any workspace which you have already, or else you can click on other. Okay. And
Switch on. How do I do? I'm doing it right now as we talk. So okay, switch workplace. Okay, I'm giving it another name.
Browse button here. Browse button. And you can choose any other location. Say okay.
Okay. Okay, then it should be okay, right?
Create new project and try it now.
Okay, I'll just try. Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Sam, you are trying to say something. Can you speak out, please? Sam, you are saying to select some package. What is it? Can you explain, please? Okay, fine. Fine. I'm ending the session for today. We'll meet tomorrow, okay? Thank you all. Have a nice time.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.